Hey, do you know that people learn in different ways? Yep, the different ways people learn are called learning styles. Most people learn in a combination of styles, but each person usually has one dominant style. Knowing your primary learning style can help you know how to study more effectively. But you won't always receive information in your preferred learning style, so you should work to improve your skills in other styles too. The most common learning styles are visual, auditory, and tactile. Visual learners learn best by seeing things. They prefer to view text, graphs, pictures, and diagrams. Auditory learners learn best by hearing. They prefer to listen to information. Tactile learners learn best by touching and doing things. They prefer to manipulate objects, do physical experiments, and try things.